ready, guys.
Okay.
Let's get ready. Come. Okay. So, basic. What's the problem? Were you trying to take it from him?
No. No.
Okay, be nice. Be nice. No fighting. You guys, show your best colors when mom is recording. Okay? Was that a dance move? Are you guys ready for breakfast? We're actually gonna make.
Freeze.
Yeah, we're gonna make. Emmy, we just fixed the bed. We're gonna make Daddy's Father's Day breakfast today. You know that?
What?
Yeah, we're gonna make Daddy's Father's Day breakfast today. Thank you so much, Chummy. Thank you. That's not how you make the bed. You don't jump on it after. Life with boys. Okay, so we're gonna get ready. Mommy has to get ready first, right? Ready to make breakfast for Daddy? First things first, we need to bring a fan into the kitchen because Jamaica is hot. It is hot.
Holy hot and
Looky here. Come see. Look who grew overnight. Oh my goodness. Remember we said he could only fit this way. Now he can't fit this way. He used to be able to fit this way. Look. Come see, Matt.
What? Oh, yes.
Fun stuff.
I got a leg and a piece of his tail missing.
No, leave it in here. It'll grow more. Okay?
Want it to grow more?
Is it really cool?
No, I like it. Like
Yeah?
If you take it out, it's gonna shrink and go small again.
Okay, so before I make breakfast, yes, we're gonna give the boys a pre-breakfast breakfast. Strawberries. So I have my brioche in here. I made it get still overnight and crying baby. What happened? He hit your head? No, he didn't.
Come on, Amy.
Go with Dada. Go watch TV.
Whoa.
Okay. So I'm gonna mix up the French toast batter right here. Got some bacon, and I'm gonna make a strawberry sauce. So a little bit of salt. Gonna put some ground cinnamon. Put some nutmeg. Some Benjamin's vanilla. If you're a Jamaican, you know this is the best vanilla. So I'm gonna add like that much. That's probably 2 tablespoons. Milk. I'm not gonna add all this milk. I knew it was gonna pour like that. Then I'm gonna add a ton of brown sugar. A lot.
Anyone?
Okay. Get a tiny whisk. Whisk it all together. Smells good. But I want it sweeter. So I'm adding some of my white sugar from my sauce in there. Okay, yeah, I'm preheated the oven. I don't know if I got that. So I preheated the oven and now I'm gonna heat the pan because I'm not gonna soak these for long. Butter spray is the best one. So this is kind of lopsided, but I'll make it work. coat it well good. Woo! Okay, so this business here. Well, I need to make sure that this is heated well enough. How I know is when I dip my finger in some water and I splash the water, it'll go kss. So while that's heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and let's see if I can do this with one hand. Add the strawberries. This might be a really bad idea. Or skills. Come on, let's go. Let's go, strawberries. So I'm gonna add enough water just to kind of cover it. That's kind of a lot, so I'm probably gonna have to thicken it. And all this sugar. Then I'm gonna add some lime juice. And I'm gonna put that right here. Get that going. And I'm gonna do that on high heat. I want it to bubble. Okay. So to test this over here, I'm gonna tip a little water on it. Dancing water. Once the water is dancing, that's how I know it's ready. So I'm gonna turn it down a bit because I'm gonna soak my bread first. So yeah, that's all in. So definitely need more. I'm just gonna put the remainder of the milk in here and pour that in. Okay. So now I'm gonna take my hand. So soaking up a little bit. Just a little bit, and I'm gonna turn it because I don't want it soggy. It's getting too soggy, so time to add. So I'm gonna let these go until they look right. So I'm gonna turn up the heat a bit. And I'm just gonna every now and then check it. Because it's gonna cook at different speeds. Well, this didn't get too soaked, but we're fine. It's gonna see right there is meat getting done. So the middle is getting done faster. So what I'm gonna do is move them around. So most of them are flipped, just this one needs to be flipped. I'm gonna go ahead and put some bacon in because my boys love bacon. So get that done, and that's bubbling. Close to overcrowded time, but I didn't take these out, so got these on the pan. I washed it and greased it, and now I'm just gonna give my sauce a stir. I'm gonna thicken it with more sugar and cornstarch. There we go, got the bacon going. So give this a flip. Oh. Okay, so we got these all in here. The very last step is I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes, and that's basically gonna cook the custard on the inside, the egg mixture. Doesn't look too bad at all. So let's get these babies in the oven, and it's already been preheated. Woo. Woo. See ya. Okay. So now I'm just focusing on bacon and sauce. I said a little more sugar. I lied. A lot more sugar. Yeah, just dump all of it, huh? Why not? So here I have some cornstarch mixed with water. Add that there. Helps to thicken. Gonna let that boil. Make sure it's on high.
My breakfast. My breakfast. Sneak peek, sneak peek. Woo! All of that is mine. Every last
And here
one.
we like our bacon extra crispy.
I just like bacon.
Anyway,
Anyway, bacon. Good. Bacon. Jerk pork. Just pig in general. Woo! I can't wait. I'm starving. Ooh, I like French toast. Who like French toast? French toast versus pancakes.
This is
comment
his
below.
1 week later Father's Day breakfast.
Took long enough.
Look on this sweat, guys. Jamaican heat. Being in the kitchen.
I'm only in here for 2
I
seconds.
know, but I don't sweat like you. I'm a girl. I don't do that.
Girls don't sweat.
No, that's your.
And I like that. You're that foolishness.
Girls don't sweat. Girls don't fart. Girls
All
don't
right.
poop.
Challenge accepted.
Girls don't poop.
Ooh, this vlog go back get nasty. Alright.
So nice. Boss has decided that he would like some eggs too. So since I'm the best wife ever, you know. So I whisk up some eggs with some onion, garlic, Mrs. Dash, salt, pepper. Okay. You guys want to sit there?
More bacon.
Okay, using the bacon spatula. The right way to the scrambled eggs, because I'm actually a trained chef, went to culinary school, is to slowly stir it like this. So you let it cook a little bit and then you move it around.
Is there a reason why this is the right way?
Evenly cook it. I just made that up because I really don't remember. Not like I'm the best student ever, you know? So we still have our sauce going. I'm gonna turn off the heat and let it thicken. I'm getting ready. You see, it's kind of soggy, a bit soggy. So this is a good time to get ready to add the cheese. Grating your own cheese is actually better. You know, I'm treating this like this is a cooking show and not a vlog. Grating your own cheese is better because it melts better. But we're just gonna use this. You guys to see how much cheese we use. It's like a mountain. We actually like to have cheese with eggs on it. That's what we do, cheese with eggs on it. So now this pan is definitely too small, so I have to be careful and turn that heat on because actually you're not supposed to get these little brown parts, but whatevs. It's actually really delicious. If anybody wants to overdo it on cheese, I say do it, especially with like a baked macaroni and cheese, Caribbean style. You know the type of baked macaroni you have at every family event? That's the type I'm talking about. Overdo it with the cheese and it'll be the best. So there we go. There's our eggs. Overly cheesy, just how the beef family likes it. Take a look. So I'm gonna pull these babies out. This is finishing up. I'm actually making it a little thicker. These strawberries are cooked by now. Okay, so the GoPro kind of looks like it can manage Jamaica heat. So I'm about to plate my husband's breakfast. Happy Father's Day 1 week later. So why I'm doing it 1 week later is last week my dad stayed over, so I did Father's Day breakfast for him. The two of them are completely different. So I did an omelette, no salt, really healthy, callaloo and salmon for my dad. And Matthew is more the type to have bacon with ham, extra bacon, extra ham, little fat from that, fry up, sweet, you know, all of that. So different. Since I'm a really extra wife, I decided to cut these fruits up and make a smoothie. Some strawberries, we got some mangoes, and we got some Jubilee, I think I call it. They call it here, or star fruit. No, star fruits. No, I don't know. Maybe this is star fruit. It looks like a star, but there's a purple one that I might be mixing it up with. So, gonna blend this with some ice and some sugar, and give the daddy be his Father's Day breakfast. And the mango seeds, I am saving it because some people in Jamaica like mango seed. Not me. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Get some nice sauce on it. Okay, and there we go, guys. French toast. It's hubby's plate. And we did mango smoothie. Well, mango strawberry, star fruit, jumbly. Jumbly? Jumbly or jumbly? Star fruit, y'all. Jumbly?
Jumbling? How you say it?
I don't
Comment below. Jumbling or jumbling?
What is that? Comment down below. Tell us what it is.
Star fruit.
Emmy, you ready to eat?
No.
Eat? Yeah? There's Emmy's little plate.
Extra, extra.
Matthew.
Yes, I know. Yes, I know.
Yes, to the real deal. This is what the man plate really looks like. Woman plate not too far behind. But man plate. For the daddy that we're celebrating. Happy Father's Day 1 week later.
One or two.
It's one. It's one. Happy Father's Day 1 week later. Say Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Say Happy Father's Day. Yay! You got your first Happy Father's Day from Emmy, and you got your fifth one from Liam. How does it feel?
It's probably the fourth one from
How you feeling? How you feeling?
Hungry.
No, how you feeling about being a dad?
About being a dad?
Yeah, to these two.
Putting me on the spot like that. Awesome. I wouldn't change one.
He's not the mushy type. But guys, I'll tell you, being a mother, let's just make this about me. Anyways, we're gonna dig in. The B family is gonna eat. I'm gonna show you guys what true love is. This is my last piece of bacon for you.
Don't take it back when the camera turns on.
How was your Father's Day breakfast?
It's awesome. I need this.
Okay, that was a marathon. I don't know why I use so many dishes whenever I cook. You let me cook? I'll use every dish we have in the house. Whew. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in here and say I'm editing this video really late, and I just wanted to say Happy Father's Day. We had computer trouble, so it wasn't working in June, so now it's July, but Happy Father's Day. And I need to close this video out, so like, comment, subscribe. Bye.